How are you gonna... Do you have a utensil? Or are you just gonna dig into it?
I'm just hammering into it. Okay. Bridget stole my phone for a couple hours and went and cooked it into Jello. So I'm gonna just... Oh, good Jello. Waste not, want not.
Take a big slurp.
There's hungry kids in China who would be upset if I didn't do this.
You should be eating it like those watermelon contest eaters. Just go... Come on, do it. As fast as you possibly can. Come on.
Ow.
Is he dying? I think we have to...
I don't know.
Oh, that was disgusting.
Oh my god.
He's eating his phone out of Jello. Why'd you put it in Jello? Because.
Why
Ow.
not?
It hurt so bad.
That was disgusting.
Okay, we got enough. We ate enough Jello.